everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a spider T-Rex from the new Spiderverse movie. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today.
Now to start off with the spider T-Rex from Across the Spiderverse, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to go down, and I'm going to come up to here. Next, I'm going to bring this down and then around to here. And then I'll make another line that's going to come up and down for the eyebrow. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and then down like this to start the front of the nose. And then I'll make a little curved line here and a curved line here for the nostril. I'll bring this down, and I'm going to come down and up. Then we'll come down to here. I'm going to bring this back and up. I'll make a nice little broken line around here for the lip. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to come in. I'm going to go down and up. And I'm going to curve this line up to here. Make a little line here with a couple little lines for the back of the mouth. And then I'm going to put some sharp teeth in here for the teeth all across here. Next, I'm going to bring this line out and then down for the back of the head. I'm going to bring this line up and down. And then I want to work on the neck. So I'm going to make a couple little curved lines. I'm going to come down and up here. And a little line down. I'm going to bring this line down and then this line out. Make a pointed line for the claw and another pointed line here. Do an extra little line. We're going to come out and bring it in. Then I'll make one that comes down. Make a point here and then one more point here. And we'll bring it up. Next we'll come down and up. And then I want to work on the legs. To make the leg, I'm going to bring this line out and down here. We're going to come straight down. Then we're going to come down to a point. Then I'm going to make another one that's going to come down to a point here and then up. I'll make one more claw here. Bring this line up, little claw here. We'll come up into here. Bring this up, and then I'm going to bring a big line around here for the back of the leg. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to put some different little bumps on here. Just kind of go up and down, and I'm going to bring these up here. And then I'm going to curve this around and then bring it back to here with a couple more little extra lines. For the other leg, I'm going to bring a line down and back. I'm going to bring this line out and down to here. I'm going to come down and then over. I'm going to curve this line in with a couple little extra lines. Now for some extra detail, I like to throw some of these broken lines on here along the tail. A couple little broken lines by the knee and on the elbows too, just for a little bit of detail because there's a lot of wrinkles there. Bring a line or two down the neck and bring some of these lines up. I want to do a couple little lines here, and then a little broken line right there for like an indentation. Do a couple more lines here and here. And then a couple little lines right around there. We'll do some broken lines on here, and then I'm going to curve these around here. Then you want to give our T-Rex some claws with some extra little lines for the toes. Same thing here. Now, on the top of the head, he's got this kind of like webbing mohawk going on. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and down. One here. One here. And then I'll do two more here. They get a little bit smaller as they go back. Actually, I'll do one small one there. And then I'm just going to connect them by going down and up. And inside of here you can put these extra little lines in here just so they kind of look like webbing. Now, once we have the drawing of our T-Rex, our next thing is we want to add some of the details and designs on here. So, right around the eye, he's going to have like that big black line like what Spider-Man has. So I'm going to draw a line up to here. We'll come up, we'll go around and right to here. And we can actually just color this part in black too, just so it's a little bit easier for you to see what needs to be black on here. Now it's going to have a couple little spots right along here. And then he's going to have a couple little spots right along the back here. I'm going to make a little curved line here. And then I'll do the same thing on this side. I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down here. And then a little line that's going to come right along here for some detail. Then I'll do a little line here and a little line here. And there you go, there is your drawing of the Spider T-Rex. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.